my food and drink.
A is for apple pie, A is for avocado toast, A is for almond milk.
Yeah, D is my food and drink.
B is for bagels, B is for banana bread, B is for blueberry juice.
Yeah, D is my food and drink.
C is for chocolate cake, C is for cereal, C is for carrot sticks.
Yeah, D is my food and drink.
D is for donuts, D is for dumplings, D is for dragon fruit.
Yeah, D is my food and drink.
E is for eggs, E is for edamame, E is for eclairs.
Yeah, D is my food and drink.
F is for french fries, F is for fruit salad, F is for feet bars. G is for gummy bears, G is for grapes, G is for granola. H is for hot dogs, H is for honeydew, H is for honeydew. I is for ice cream, I is for iced tea, I is for Italian ice. J is for jelly beans, J is for juice, J is for jam toast. K is for kiwi, K is for ketchup, K is for kale chips. L is for lemonade, L is for lollipops, L is for lettuce. M is for muffins, M is for mac and cheese, M is for milk. N is for nachos, N is for noodles, N is for nut butter. O is for oranges, O is for oatmeal, O is for onion rings. P is for pancakes, P is for pineapple, P is for popcorn. Q is for quesadilla, Q is for quiche, Q is for quinoa. R is for raspberries, R is for rice, R is for root beer. S is for sandwich, S is for strawberries, S is for smoothies. T is for tacos, T is for tangerines, T is for tea. U is for udon noodles, U is for upside down cake, Q is for ugly fruit. V is for vanilla ice cream, V is for veggie soup, V is for vinegar chips. W is for watermelon, W is for waffles, W is for whipped cream. X is for sequel, X is for Xmas cookies, X is for extra cheese. Y is for yogurt, I is for yellow cake, Y is for yams. C is for zucchini bread, C is for ziti, C is for zesty lemon. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, A, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Is for apple pie, A is for avocado toast, A is for almond milk. B is for bagels, B is for banana bread, B is for blueberry juice. C is for chocolate cake, C is for cereal, C is for carrot sticks. D is for donuts, D is for panplings, T is for pineapple. P is for pancakes, P is for pineapple, P is for popcorn. M is for muffins, M is for mac and cheese. Q is for gummy bears, Q is for noodles, P is for granola. H is for hot dogs, H is for honeydew.
Thank you for watching our videos. We appreciate your time, energy, and effort.